Before we proceed with the next step, let me tell you about LTM365, a platform that makes electronic design easier, faster and more connected. It lets your team collaborate in real time by sharing designs, managing versions, and staying in sync from anywhere. Plus, it combines ECAD and MCAD tools so your electrical and mechanical teams can work together smoothly. Pair it with LTM Designer and you have got a complete setup for creating professional grade PCBs. You can even simulate your circuits digitally under real world conditions without needing physical prototypes or expensive lab gear. And if you are a student, then check out the LTM Student Lab. Just sign up with your university email for free access to LTM tools, which provides you step-by-step PCB courses and industry recognized certifications that prepares you for real world roles and help you stand out in job opportunities. Hit the link in the description and start building your future with LTM. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.